Imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDLTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear reading lights, memory seat, front halogen fog lamps, deep tinted glass, radio data system, power door mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, and alloy wheels. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.